All right, I'm gonna go over how to set up your contact form page, excuse me, and a full width page. So that'd be a page with your sidebar already hidden. So it's pretty easy. So we're just gonna go ahead and create one page at a time. So let's go ahead and create our contact page first. So we're gonna create this contact us, and then we can publish the page. And I'm going to open up this page in a new tab so we can just kind of go back and forth on the page. So the main thing that we need to do to set this up is under this page attributes on the right. And under that we go to template and all we do is select contact page template. So it's really easy. We can update that now and we'll refresh the page and not much has changed because basically there's a map you can put in and a contact form and they'll hide if you don't have the options filled out. So where do we fill that out? That's at the bottom of your page. And these options will only work, of course, if you're using that template. So the map address, this can be any sort of address, you know, like 1600, you know, X street in your city. And obviously this also works globally. So, you know, if you're in the United Kingdom or wherever, you know, we're using Google Maps API. So whatever you want. What we use is just the city right now for our example, but you can use whatever you want as well. So once you type in an address, then your map will show up with a pin where you've typed that in. So it's really easy to add your map if you want. And of course, if you don't want a map, you can just delete that field and it'll disappear. And then if you want your contact form, you can type in your email address here. And that would be at, you know, Gmail or whatever your email is. And then the form will pop up. And if you want more control over the fields of your email contact form, you know, as we have noted under here, we recommend Contact Form 7. And it's from WordPress.org. It's a free plugin, and it just adds this little contact form, and there's a whole documentation for that plugin. And if you want to use that one, you would just hide this, and it's created by a short code. So if you want to have a different contact form, you can do so there, or use any other form of contact form as well. We just wanted to give you a couple options right off the bat. So let's go ahead and add our thing back in. And of course, if you add content goes here, that will display on the page as well. So it's super easy to add your contact page. So let's go ahead and add our full width page now. So we'll add a new page and say full width example. And it's the same thing under page attributes, except for we just select full width. I'm just adding in some text so you can see it on the page. So now when I open that up in a new tab, you can see we have the sidebar. It's actually still there under this little tab thing. But, excuse me, but the page by default is full width, so it's pretty nice. So that is how you do your full width and contact pages.